is Brian Helm. I'm the project manager on the Boulder Bay project, which you're all here to hear more about our developments and recent activity. And I certainly want to just first start by thanking everyone for coming out tonight. I know we're all busy people, and it means a lot to us that you came out to express your comments and questions and concerns, and as well as hopefully hopefully a little praise. But I won't go too far down that road. But we've got a fairly structured beginning to the evening, and then we'll open it up to questions at the end. And we'll take it to 9 o'clock with the questions, and then we're certainly, the development team certainly committed to stay after and answering as many questions that remain after that. So you all made the effort to come out here tonight, and we're going to do our best to answer as many questions they do have, and we'll stay as long as we need to do that. We have a full slate from the development team here tonight. We've got Roger Wittenberg, who is our lead developer and owner, who I'll introduce here shortly, here this evening. We also have Lou Feldman from Feldman Shaw, who's our land attorney. We have Gordon Shaw from LSC Traffic Consultants. And then we have Brian McRae and Donna Miller from Lewis Associates, who's our civil engineer, and Phil Gillenfarb, somewhere right around here, who is our consulting architect on the project. For those of you who were at our first meeting in November, we've listened to a lot of your comments, and hopefully you'll see a lot of those incorporated here. We learned from some of our mistakes. We have an extension cord this time, which should help to keep power throughout the whole time. So, but seriously, we put together a presentation for you, and then we'll go into the roads discussion as well this evening, and then we'll look forward to your questions. With that, let me go ahead and bring out Roger, who's going to do a quick introduction, and then Lou will take us into the presentation.
My name is Roger Wittenberg, and I'm CEO of Boulder Bay, LLC. Since our first meeting, our vision for what this project can accomplish for the community not only remains the same, but we're more invigorated towards the results than ever before. We're convinced our principles are still sound. We feel that the emphasis that was placed on gaming for this community back in the 40s when these facilities were built no longer are capable of supporting the economy in the area with the advent of all the gaming that's been built in California. We do think it still needs to be present, but it becomes more of an amenity rather than a main focus. So we stay committed to that concept. We believe we have to support the destination concept with something else, something besides gaming. And we feel that emphasis still remains focused on the lake. It's all about the lake. That's why people come here. And we need to help them enjoy the experience here at the lake. And if we do that, they're more likely to come up to the lake during what we call the shoulder seasons, the parts of the season that currently are not very well populated. And all the businesses suffer on the North Shore from that cyclicality. We believe that creating a facility that is up to standards for the current traveler and meeting those expectations is important. And if we build that type of facility and people have a great experience, then we're going to develop loyal clientele. And they will go back to their homes with their expectations of Lake Tahoe fully met. We have the most beautiful lake asset in the world right right nearby, and we simply need to help people enjoy that. So I hope you learn more about our vision tonight. We will remain open to comments, suggestions, concerns, and so on. And I know that this process has been somewhat tortured because of the CEP experience, but we are really now just beginning on this process. This is by no means the end, it's actually just the beginning. And so I'm going to turn this over to Lou, and he can explain the details, and I hope you enjoy and understand the presentation.